Yes, sir. Seen this thing pull in a minute ago. She's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I think I got some more videos of it other places, but seeing it roll into the lot looks fucking good. Yes, sir. I like all that. My dirty girl sitting back there. I like all that. Yes, sir. And it begins. Trying to get this one right. Then we're gonna move on to the next stuff. One thing at a time. We're gonna do a couple lights today because I gotta go get a couple of lights all done up on the front of the trailer, and I got one broke on the side there, and there's another one broke back there. We gotta get this thing lit back up, man. We gotta get it right. Look who done came into my neighborhood. Come on, my boy done slid into the neighborhood. Got her looking good. Yes, sir. Yo, spread. That's how we do it. Got it back down this in here. Fun little ass road. Trucking 101. Let's see what it says. Two boxes. Had to go through the woods to get them 2 boxes. To the tiny ass place. If it pays, we ship it. room to turn around. Yeah. I gotta see this. I gotta see this. This is strange as hell. Check this out. Oh, look at these, the reflectors in the road. See how red they are all the way back down the road? I don't know if they're like illuminated or something, like a battery charged or something. They're red all the way down the road behind me as you pass them. Like kind of punches your head a little bit as you're driving. Seeing those red lights like that.
It's giving fat man
Woohoo. She mad we had to walk. I said, I'm walking.
Guy energy.
She said, you gonna make me walk?
Yes.
You don't know what a man would do for a burger. What would I do for a burger?
What would you do for a burger?
Well, that's what we just did all that hoofing because we had to come get to this burger. Yeah.